Hey, friends! It's me again, Faith, your 30-ish cutie dreamer, still figuring things out one day at a time. And welcome to Adulting Life Diaries with Faith, your weekly kwentuhan space about adulting, about life, and the beautiful mess and magical journey of figuring things out. For today's episode, let's talk about something na sobrang common pero bihira nating aminin, yung invisible societal pressure na dala ng so-called life checklists. 'Di ba growing up, parang naka-program na tayo eh. May unofficial timeline na dapat nating sundin. Like graduate at age 20, work by 23, get married at age 26, own a house and car at age 28, build a family at age 30, and sana by early 30s, stable ka na, established ka na, and successful ka na dapat. At kapag hindi nasunod yung timeline na yun, parang feeling mo, failure ka na. And I felt that. Lalo na pag nakikita mo yung mga batchmates mo sa social media na um, they uploaded wedding photos, they had house tours, business milestones, career milestones, and family goals. Tapos ako, nasa student visa pa rin ako. Starting my life again in a new country. Ganon yung naramdaman ko. At age 30-ish, nag-aaral pa ulit ako abroad. I don't own yet a house and even a car. And yeah, may utang pa ako sa tuition. Minsan napapatanong nga ako eh, like, am I falling behind? Parang, bakit sila ang layo na ng narating nila and I'm still here again, starting over again. Pero, habang tumatagal na nandito ako sa New Zealand, unti-unti kong na-realize na wala naman talagang universal timeline. And while I'm here, para akong nakahinga sa invisible timeline na hindi ko alam saan kinuha ng mundo. Kasi walang nagtatanong sa akin kung kailan ako magkakaroon ng asawa, kailan ako magkakaanak, kailan ako magkakaroon ng sariling bahay, kotse, and everything I mentioned above. Iba-iba lang talaga tayo ng route, iba-iba tayo ng season, and iba-iba tayo ng pacing. May mga kaibigan din akong nagka-career agad after college, na-promote agad while I was still figuring things out. May iba rin naman akong kilala na nagpakasal na rin naman ng late 30s. May kakilala rin ako nag-shift ng career at age 40. May kilala rin naman akong wala pang asawa pero they feel happy and fulfilled in their life. And there's no right or wrong version ng word settled and what is its meaning to everyone. Ang problema kasi, we tend to compare ourselves to other people na nasa ibang chapter na ng buhay nila. It's like, I am reading chapter 3 of the book and then I'm also expecting na dapat kasing ganda ng chapter 10 na yung nangyayari um, sa buhay ko. And I realized that we have our own stories to tell. We have our own detours, side quests, rest stops, but everything are part of our journey. And what I learned, you are allowed to take a detour. You are allowed to pause, start again, change your mind. Kahit parang zigzag yung journey mo and even journey ko, progress pa rin yun. Hindi porket iba yung route ko with my fellow batchmates, it doesn't necessarily mean na wala akong nararating. And sometimes, the most beautiful chapter of your life happens after the plan doesn't work out. Kung ikaw, feeling mo parang napag-iiwanan ka na, parang late na lahat, this is my gentle reminder. Hindi ka late. Hindi ka palpak. You are exactly where you need to be. Your timeline is valid. Your pace is valid. Your story is valid. And life isn't a checklist at all. It's a journey you get to write in your own time. And thank you so much for listening. See you next time, dreamers.